VeChain is the world's leading blockchain platform, which aims to connect blockchain technology to the commercial world by offering blockchain as a service. The blockchain is a distributed public ledger that creates an unchangeable record of information. Each page in this ledger of transactions forms a block that is time-stamped and linked to the previous block. This allows the blockchain to contain a true and verifiable record of each and every transaction in the system in a trustless way. VeChain Foundation, the nonprofit entity behind VeChain, is taking this groundbreaking technology to the next level. While previously being built on top of Ethereum, VeChain is being repositioned into a standalone platform dubbed the VeChain Thor blockchain. It is the next generation of blockchain technology. The VeChain Thor blockchain will be able to handle up to 10,000 transactions per second and thus be able to serve the large enterprise and government entities that VeChain has partnered with. As of now, VeChain blockchain technology is being utilized around the world to solve a variety of problems. Makers of wine and other luxury goods are working with VeChain to combat counterfeiting. VeChain makes use of its VeChain identity technology to mark and track products. The product's digital identity is stored on the blockchain, and each step of its production cycle, from the point of manufacture all the way to the end consumer, is logged. Any attempts to defraud the consumer will be detected, as the authenticity of the product can be determined at each stage of the supply chain process. With the increased adoption of the VeChain blockchain, enterprises will be able to operate decentralized applications, store data, and execute smart contracts on a scale never seen before. WET, the digital currency of VeChain, is the investment vehicle and heart of VeChain's technology. Holders of WET secure voting power in the system and gain authority, which plays a crucial role in the proof of authority system of the VeChain blockchain. Holding WET tokens will generate Thor power, which represents the underlying cost of using the VeChain blockchain. Individuals and enterprises transacting on the network will pay for their usage with Thor power. With a growing list of business partnerships and technological developments, VeChain is positioning itself to be a pioneering force in the enterprise blockchain industry. For more information about VeChain's blockchain technology and its uses, visit VeChain.com.